Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how we can access both ebooks and audiobooks through the Libby app. It's a free ebook and audiobook site that we have access to through Durham Public Schools. So we're going to kind of give you a brief rundown on how you can access this and how you can use it. So once again, it is called the Libby app by Overdrive. So when you click on the link here, once you type it into a Google search, you can do one or two ways. You can access it through an app that you can download, or you can use the web browser. That's what we're going to show you today. A little bit easier. So it's just the libbyapp.com. Once you get onto the site, this is kind of your welcome screen. First question it's going to ask is, do you have a library card? We do. This might just be through one that you have for the library, but through Durham Public Schools, everyone has an access to these sites with the use of their Power School number, and we'll show you that once we get there. So we're going to click yes. Next screen, I'm going to ask you a few things. We're going to go to this middle one here that says you can look up through a library by location. So as we start to type in for our Durham County Library, first option is the one we are going to use. Okay, next thing it's going to say, do we want to add in our library card? So we're going to do the enter the thing here. So what we're going to use is our Power School number that your student has. So as I start typing it in, once I have typed it in, you're going to hit next, and then to ask for your PIN. Your PIN for this card is just the last 4 digits of your Power School number. So your PIN is just the last 4 digits of your Power School number. And as we sign in, it's going to approve this right here. It'll say we're signed in. It'll tell you how many loans you can take out, or how many books you can take out, and how many books you can put on hold. So we're going to go to next. And now we are at our Libby app here. So as you can see, we can go down. There's a lot of different stuff on here. It's going to have our library up here. So we can search for books. So we'll search for one of our Battle of the Books books, which happens to be PAX. And as you can see now, we have your options here. Some of these books will be available. Others you might have to put on hold for a second. But that is how we can use and how we can access the Libby